I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, White Oak. I'm your anchor, Harlan Hammond.
And this is and I'm Joey Warren, and this is the Morning Pounds. The school store is open on Wednesday and Thursday, 7:45 to 8:15 a.m.
Our book fair is December 10th through 14th.
And remember, don't get food poisoning.
The chorus concert is December 12th.
Instrumental Winter Concert, Thursday, December 13th at 7 p.m.
This is First Period Games, and you're watching the Morning Pounds. See you at 90s Night!
Please turn in your field trip money and permission slips for the Kennedy Center field trip. Please turn in your field trip money and permission slips for the Kennedy Center field trip. And that's it for today, White Oak.
And this is...
Stop doing that!